Today we'll talk about how can you create campaign on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on marketing here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on create campaign here. So then you come to this list here. Then here can you search for all here, and here if you want to looking for ads or email or social posts or SMS, then here can you just click on it in this brand. So I want to add, so you have to add this and up here, then it's going to add video on your Shopify app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.